Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the robot vacuum cleaner, the Aiibot T289. It is a slim robotic vacuum cleaner with remote control. This is also available as a black and a white version. The white version contains the 288, I think, and the 289 is the black version. The specs are the same. So, remote controlled cleaning robot. It will clean 360 degrees and has a smart sensor, 3 cleaning modes, anti-collision design for bed hairs, hard floors, carpets, dusts, everything what is home to get out of the bottom area into a dust compartment. Keep your house clean. Application with power suction motor. This robot vacuum could maximum provide 500 Pascal of intense suction power, which is strong enough to pick up dust, paper scraps, crumbs, and dirt. Ideal for hardwood floor, carpets, pet hair, and dust, and so much more. But not wet things. This I think is not a good idea. It is a smart robot vacuum cleaner equipped with the latest sensor technology. This robot vacuum cleaner is able to automatically detect obstacles and distance to avoid unnecessary collisions, scratches, and prolong the lifespan of that robot. 3 working modes are on board. The vacuum cleaner provides random test, plant cleaning, and cleaning along the side, and you could choose favorite one as you wish. That means you have a remote control, and on the remote control you have 3 buttons of it: random, then this option of the area clean process, and automatic mode. I'm choosing the automatic mode at this often. Okay, inside the ready controlled thing, you have to put 2 AA batteries inside. Then it will work immediately. Quiet operations and long run time is available with this robot. That robot is equipped with a simple to set up and works quietly to bring you the most comfortable and clean house surrounding, and 850 milliampere hour battery will keep it working for maximum 1 hour to finish all the cleaning process. And if you have to to remove the filter and the HEPA filter inside, here you can see how you can handle this. And of course, there is a dust compartment too. This dust compartment you have to drop out every week, I think, or it's better to do this after one cleaning period. Of course, you have this Aiibot robot in the back in the box. 2 side brushes and 2 other side brushes. That means 4 side brushes. 1 remote control. You will need 2 AAA batteries. These are not included. You have 1 remote control, 1 plug charging adapter, and this is and a brush, as you can see, and 2 HEPA filters. And this is all what you get, but this is enough to have some cleaning fun with it. Keep your house clean. Oh yeah. And on the bottom side you can see, on the left side you have a brush, on the right side you have a brush. You have a universal wheel on the front side, and you have 3 sensors. These sensors are made for detect some stairs, and if this vacuum cleaner will jump over an edge, it will protect him to fall or drop down, because the sensors will detect the light which is coming from the bottom side. Then if there is an there is a stair, for example, and this will stop immediately the device, and it will be rotate around and go another way. Three sensors, one on the right side, one on the left side, and one on the center. Then you have a right side wheel, a left side wheel, which made with a rubber surface. This is for the bottom. Then you have the dust compartment with the dust bin, the preliminary strainer, an evidence strainer, and an evidence strainer support. And this you can use to clean out, or you can remove it and replace it. That it is what you will need, and you have to assemble the right and the left brush, and you have to get the power inside at the first time by using the AC adapter. Easily, really easy. Only connect it on the side of the vacuum cleaner, connect the wire, get it into the power supply, job start easily. Then let it gain some power, and after this you can switch to 1. That means the device will be enabled for you, and then you can use it easily. You have a start-stop button. It can be used for starting and stopping the sweeping, of course. You have a remote control with a start and pause button. Under the standby mode, the machine enters a random sweeping mode by pressing that. It is not the standby mode, it's the automatic mode. Under the other modes, you can see you have a focused mode, you can use a random mode, an auto mode, and a respawn button. Then you have an up, down, left, and right button. This will steer your device to the upper side, down side, left, and right. This is you can remote control this device with these buttons easily. You have a start and stop button, the focus button. Under the focus button, the machine will have a focused mode. That means you have a area about 2 meters as well, and this 2 meters, this is a focus, and this, if you drop something and it is dirt there, only in a couple of meters, you can place the device in the center of this and then push the focus button. Then it will start to clean this area. If you use the random, that means you have a random mode, and it will be go in a random thing. That means focus plus automatic mode will be enabled, and the device will check things and will go around obstacles, etc. And you have the auto button. Under the auto button, it is easy. That means automatic, job's done, 1 hour later it's finished, yeah, easily. And the respawn button, that means your Aiibot will talk to you with beep 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 beep. You will push the respawn button, and though you can find an Aiibot which is in trouble. Oh yeah, this is really awesome and easy. This everything is easy on this device, and you can use it easily, really easy. But do not forget, switch the power on the side. After this, you can start the cleaning process with the button on the top side, or you can use the remote control with auto sweeping, with focus sweeping. Under this area, it is focused. On the random sweeping, everything is possible. And here you can see this is now on. We will push start and stop, and then you can see it's green over there. We can also start it by pushing this button, and the Aiibot will start immediately. Now we can have control the Aiibot by using the arrow buttons on the remote. As you can see, we can have some circles all the time. The Aiibot is having some sweeping actions out there. Here you can see. Now let's go around the different things, and you can see it's really easy. You only have to do is aim the Aiibot with the remote, then push the button, random, auto, or focused, and then he will go and do this automatically. But what is interesting about? What is with the sensors? Let's check the sensors. Okay, let's go. There are stairs, and yeah, he saw it with its sensors, and he is turn around and go another direction. Now this is an awesome thing. That means you do not have to assemble some labels on the bottom side with magnetic sensor thing. It's only the sensors which are built in this device will have the control that this Aiibot is not dropping down a stair as well. Here you can see there was a little bit of dirt. Job's done. And here you can see it's not so high. That means it is space under, it is enough space to get under furnitures. And little carpets is no problem for the Aiibot too, as you can see. And now he is having some fun and getting some dirt here. Ooh, no, don't drop. Oh, jumps. This was close. But the sensors protect him from falling. There it is. The Aiibot is really nice, and it is a robot system, a robot vacuum cleaner T289 for that should be your first Aiibot here. It is not so expensive. It has basic functions. It does not support some docking station or some application, but this you do not need. What you will get is the basic thing. You will have a remote control thing. This is a plus thing, and you have the button on the top of the Aiibot. And it's easy to remove the dust out of the dust compartment with this Aiibot. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.